Hi, second graders. So we have been working really hard on our addition facts, and what better way to continue to practice than with another game? So this is an interactive game just like yesterday. It has the directions on the first page, and then if you go down to the lower right corner, it will give you your game board. So I like this feature over to the right. If you use the one that has a squiggle line, that will let you write on the sheet. So here's how it's going to go. You pick one card, 4. Then I want you to write that in the box. So 4. Okay, pick another card. Plus 8. Okay, 4 plus 8 equals, and then you'll write it down here. So I know that 4 plus 2 equals 10, and 2 more than 10 is 12. So I know that 8 plus 4 is 12. Now, you could use any strategy. Maybe you count on from 8 by 2s. 8, 10, 12. All right. So I've got that one done. Then I'm going to choose 2 more cards. An 8. Ooh, and a wild card. Okay, so I'm going to write the 8 in. Woo! Okay, now you can make this wild card whatever you want. So if you want it to equal each other, so see how there's an equal sign in the middle right here? If it is true, then this side needs to equal this side. So maybe you write, maybe I want this wild card to be 4. And if that was the case, 4 plus 8 equals 8 plus 4. So that is also 12. And it is true. Perfect. Okay, oops. You have to unclick that every time. I'm going to add that to my pile. 10. So I'm on to the next one. So you could play with a partner and take turns of who fills this out. Like player 1 could fill out the top row, player 2 could do this. Or if you don't have a partner to play with, no worries. Just play with yourself. I'm playing with myself right now, and it is just as fun. 10 plus 6 equals 16. All right, 1. What would I need the next card to be for this to be true? I would need a 15. 15 plus 1 equals 16. 1 plus 0 equals 1. So is this true or false? 10 plus 6 equals 1 plus 0. Well, the answers are not the same, so that is false. 10 plus 6 does not equal 1 plus 0. So you'll keep playing, and then down here it says, how many true equations did you make? Well, so far I have 1, but I would count them up and then write that number. And if you want to play again, this shouldn't take very long. So I would play at least 3 times. And in between each round, if you press this start over arrow thing in the bottom right corner, they'll say, do you want to clear all your work? And yes, I do. And there you go. Back to new. Have fun playing, and happy Friday.